Yo, what's up, gang? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Wabi G, aka On Board Guns. I know, man. I've been gone for too long. I apologize for that. My bad if the lighting is a little off. My camera, my light bulbs have broke from the lights and stuff like that. So we're gonna get stuff back rolling, get the ball back moving again. But I have, I think like 8 firearms right here in front of me. Kari is right here on the side of the camera. She the one getting the video. But today's video, as you can see by the title, we're gonna be doing Guess the Firearm by Sound Only. Now I have my little Wabi G Young Boy Gun ski right here. I can open it. It smells so good. It was my work backpack. It's on fire. The ski right here, I'm put it on my head and I'm put this little thing like up, basically like it's gonna be double covered, and I'm gonna just face down so y'all boys won't think I'm cheating, nothing like that. So this is only off of what I hear the gun. Like she gonna hold the gun up, probably rack it back, pull the trigger a couple of times. You can do the same gun twice. Like you don't have to go through all of the guns. All the guns are here, but you don't have to go through all of them. We're gonna go. I have Glocks, mainly Glocks, yeah, but I got 3 other firearms here that's not Glocks. And I everyday carry my SIG, so I think I know for sure what sound my SIG make. So yeah, man, cause I dry fire so much. But we're just gonna get into the video. I might seem a little rusty. I haven't been on camera in a minute. I know. Might be a damn little flop flying around too. I feel like every video is a flop. No matter if I kill him, it's gonna be another flop tomorrow. Let me know if y'all got them problems, man. Here in out of the country, we always got the problems. Yeah.
I don't know who out of the country, but it's not me.
We out of the country. I don't know if she's talking. We in Mexico, man. Okay, hold on. How this gonna work? Like this. Oh, I can kind of see through this. Like that. Okay, like that. I'm gonna face down like I said. I'm ready. Why the hell am I nervous? And I can't open my eye either. Wait. We starting already. We supposed to say, okay, we starting. So go ahead, do it again.
First of all, you need to play with these guns a little more because they're real rusty.
It's not rusty, girl. All the guns are good up. And all of these firearms are clear. Just putting it out there. We, safety check everything, and we all safe. Dang, it's kind of hard. Blindfolded, that's the 44. You don't have to say yes or no. That's the Glock 44. I think I only recognize that one because of the slide is a little, like the gun is mainly, what is it? It's polymer, so it's like a hard plastic that Glock used, and that slide, like the gun feel like a BB gun if y'all hold it in person. So I say that's the Glock 44. Oh, wait, do it again. What the fuck? Do it again. Or I go back again. That's the Canic. Yeah, that's the Canic. I'm gonna guess the Canic, cause the Canic is a little, I'm not gonna lie, that Medtech, the Canic, the MC9 that we have, the slide isn't really that smooth. And that don't really sound that smooth. It's crazy because you're not telling me yeah or no. That's the 44 again. Glock.
Boo! You stink!
Damn, that's kind of hard. I feel like I should know. That's the Glock 19X. Hey man, be careful. Pull the trigger.
What the fuck you waiting on?
That's a sick. Yeah, that's a sick. That's the hill puff. Yeah, puff from hell, you feel me? Mods for that coming soon, y'all. Am I doing good?
Yeah.
Okay. What is that? Damn. Do it again. Do it again. The slide sound like a Glock. The trigger. Ooh, that's hard. That's hard. That's hard. Do it again. I'm gonna go with the echelon. That's a 23. Hold on, wait a minute. Grab that gun again. And hold the trigger down. No, like rack it back and hold it down. Now rack it back again. Let it go. Yeah. Alright. That was a 23. I heard that little extra. That's a Drake. Yeah, that's a, do it again. Woo! Y'all hear that, bro? I love that sound. And it's crazy because I got two choppers right here, right? And Drake, like, do it again. Bro. What thing fell off? Yeah. What the hell is that? That's about it, huh?
Yeah.
I got this one wrong?
Yes, you kept getting that one wrong. You
Really?
got this one wrong too. First.
At first I got this wrong?
Yeah. I think you got the sig wrong too.
No, I didn't get the sig wrong. I for sure didn't get the sig wrong. I got this wrong? What'd I say?
Mechanic, I think.
No.
That was the first one you got wrong, and then you got this one. You said that one was
No, bruh. I gotta run it back.
Yeah,
Because y'all hear the
I said it
slide?
was solid. It's the
Listen,
ones you
because
got
like his slide is dumb smooth, and then the trigger is just like. Probably got the triggers mixed up, but like you hear the slide. This slide is like real. Damn. I'll be sick if I got this wrong. Y'all, I probably got like 3,000 rounds through this gun. So it's like, if I got this wrong, I gotta shoot mode. But I'm be honest, I don't really drop fire this firearm that much to like actually hear the like sound of it. Everything's kind of fast, like for repetition and stuff like that. The Glock, my Glock 19X, and my SIG, my EDC, I actually like drop fire this all the time. So yeah, man, I think that's a fun video. Like, I think this is pretty fun. I have more guns, you know, way more guns than this. So if y'all want a part 2 of this, comment down below, you know, part 2, or just put the 2 up in the comments down below. Or do you think Kari can guess the guns? Nah, she can't even guess the gun by looking at it. What's this? This a whole ass SIG.
Oh, God damn it!
Bro, you freaking got a whole freaking what's called on
Oh
it,
my
too.
God.
I didn't even freaking get the joke.
I told you, bro.
I
I told you. She sounds so cat. Stop playing, man. But nah, man. Thanks for watching. Like I said, I've been going for a minute. I had some investing to do on my you know, for my life, for something else. Y'all gonna see really soon why. Just know, it got something to do with this, right? Yeah, dude. Like this gun, this particular gun that has something to do with it.
Yeah.
She's kind of like, I don't know if she hating on it, but y'all, I'm gone, man. Thanks for watching. Make sure y'all like, comment, share with your friends, family, and subscribe, man. I'm gone. Peace out.